Hi everyone, welcome to this Reckon Insights help video where we'll take you through working with boards to access and share your favorite content. When you're logged into Reckon Insights, you can access boards from the navigation menu on the left. To create a new board, click on the plus icon and select Create a New Board. Give your board a unique name and click Create Board. Once you're in the new board, you can give the top section a name and a description to identify its section. After that, it's just a matter of adding content to your board that you'd like to access quickly, which you can do by clicking the Add Content button. When adding content, you can access and select all Reckon Insights content from different folders, and any combination of dashboards, reports, charts, KPIs can be selected and added to a board. You can also add additional content within a certain section in a board. Just click the plus symbol and click on Saved Content and navigate to the content that you'd like to add. If you have a creator license, you can prepare visualizations such as charts or reports with preset filters ahead of time so that they're ready to go immediately as soon as you access it from a board. At any stage, you can unpin any content that you've added to a board. Just click on the menu button on the specific visualization and click Remove from Board. You can set up as many boards as you like, but you can also set up multiple sections within a single board as well. This can be handy when you select a generic section with content that you use all the time, and then maybe another section with other content that is specific to a meeting, call, or other event. Sections and their content can also be accessed from the navigation menu on the left after they've been set up. If you no longer need a specific section within a board, you can simply remove it by clicking the trash bin icon. A really cool feature is that you can share your boards with other Insights users. To share your board, click on the share icon at the top, and then select a single user or a group of users that you'd like to share your board with. Once you've set up the list of users and groups for access, you can either copy the address to your board and send it to them, or tick the email option to automatically email the link to that user. If you decide to unshare your board, you can do so by simply unticking the user or group and saving. Boards are an excellent way of collating content in Reckon Insights that is relevant to you, so you don't need to go looking for it each and every time. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our Reckon Insights playlist linked in the description for more help videos. And for more support, please visit us at help.reckon.com.